Hashtag slime in public, you guys. Welcome to another Rainbow Playmaker video. We are here making slime at the top of a Colorado ski mountain resort. I made some snow jiggly slime and I'm going to show you how I did it, so stick around.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're fine. One thing I love about snow jackets is they have a lot of pockets inside usually, and you can store a lot of slime making supplies in these pockets. So that's what I did. I have clear glue, white glue, and my pre-made borax water. And that's all I'm gonna use in this recipe. So I'm using this bag as my bowl, so this is kind of like slime on the go. If you guys wanna make slime on the go, this is a good way to do it. I did bring a straw to mix, but I did not end up using it. Now that I have all my glue in the bag, I'm gonna slowly add the activator to the glue and then mix it all up. I'm gonna close the bag and just kind of shake it and squeeze it from the outside of the bag. If you're curious as to the strength of the borax mixture I'm using, I am using 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water. I don't know if you guys can tell here, but my hands, they were freezing. They were so cold. And you have to remember, I live in Arizona. I live in the Sonoran Desert of Arizona, and we don't get snow where I live. So I'm just not used to it. Even though I did grow up with snow on the East Coast, I haven't lived in it as an adult. So this was a little rough, and my fingers kind of felt like they were falling off at this point. But I thought I could try to make a snow jiggly type of slime, but I don't know that I would necessarily call it jiggly. When you see the final result, you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so ever since I zipped this bag up on the mountain, I haven't opened it. And I took it back to Arizona from Colorado in my checked baggage. And this is the final result after sitting for about a week in that bag. And as you can see, it's super duper glossy, and it's not a jiggly slime at all, but it is a super nice slime. But considering I put really 0 ingredients in this except the glue, a little snow, not expanding snow, like real snow, and the activator, I think it's so nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. The slime lives. Don't forget to follow me on all other forms of social media. I'm Rainbow Playmaker everywhere. See you next time.